Hello, Prim friends. Do you recognize that ring? Today is day one of the spring open house at Seville Antiques, and I'm right here in the entrance in Lori Hollow's booth. Look at this absolutely stunning dry sink with the cupboard above. That came out of a summer house in the town just down the road from us right here. These beautiful breadboards, the angel wings.
Getting ready for today. Today's show. Oh, okay.
Lots of people here already today. There was a line out front right before the doors opened. This is Grace Brock's booth. So you want to definitely get here this week. Remember that I'm doing a different video every day for at least the next 7 days. Oh, look at the nice coffee bin here. And the stack of the old wooden bowls.
Yep. And one in the fireplace room too.
This booth is Mary Floyd's booth. Oh, I love that corner cabinet right there. Beautiful treenware or peasware inside. Nice sugar nip. And again, it just catches my eye quickly. Look at that maple, tiger maple rolling pin. 20% off here in this booth for anything that's over $50.
Oh, okay.
Hear that bell? More people coming. Cindy Lasco's booth, she does ship. So if you see something here that you're interested in, by all means reach out. The shop is open 10 o'clock until 4 o'clock, Wednesday through and including Sundays. Another really pretty dry sink, and this has a breadboard here on the top. Those are getting harder and harder to find as they find their way into people's collections. And this is Gina Hooven's booth. Gina owns Seville Antiques. Now, she does not ship, so if you see something here that you are interested in, you're going to have to come into the shop or send a local friend. Lots of the coverlet pieces. Some nice breadboards. Nice big basket. If you haven't already, I hope you'll follow Seville Antiques also on Facebook. Well, Prim friends, the best laid plans. I know I was saying videos every day, but look at my booth. So after the very first day, or halfway through the very first day, pieces sold right away. And I'm thinking, okay, well, we'll just make it through the end of this spring open house. I can't have my prim viewers walk in my booth and have it look like this. Now it looks worse than it did. I'm so thankful to the people here at the shop who kind of rearranged things for me, but I spent today running around and picking. And so I've got 2 new old cabinets coming into the shop. That beautiful table that has the most elegant little prim legs on it brought more things in. So this is what happens when you have a shop. And here we have this big weekend or big spring open house week. So bear with me on the videos. They're coming. But I just could not leave the shop, my booth looking in this much disarray. All the smalls ended up on the floor that were in and on these 2 sections. I'll post pictures on the screen of what the booth looked like before it got shopped that first day. And I'm so thankful. Please don't take this the wrong way. I am so thankful for the people that came and bought on that first day. My heart just, I'm thrilled. I would love to get pictures of how the mantle and the cabinet look in your home, and you can email them to me. I'm absolutely thrilled, but it really upset my apple cart for what I was going to be doing in the next couple of days. But again, I just couldn't leave it like this. So we've got more unique things coming in. So come on back if you've been here and you want to see it restaged. You need to come back to Seville Antiques. Okay. So thanks to my son and my mom and my husband, who has been forbidden to move any furniture at all, we got some new pieces in, and oh yeah, my gloves are there on the table. But I'm going to stage this real quick, and I'll show you a video here at the end, what it turns into after just the, what happened after the first day. Okay, Prim friends. Well, I am happy with it, how it stands at this point. This is a beautiful little table. I love the shape of the top with that sort of chamfered edge on it. And the feet on it are just wonderful. Those little knob carved feet. Really a pretty piece. And for those of you that have been following me for a while, how I'm always looking at the wooden bowls and looking for the lip on the wooden bowls, well, I absolutely had to grab this one because this one not only has 1 lip on the bowl, it's actually got 2. So there's a lip and then there's another lip. So that one absolutely had to come to the shop. Of course, a little bit of stone fruit and an early dry sink, wonderful pine with the top, and the paint in the inside has been added later, but it makes a wonderful backdrop for some of the pieces to come forward. A lot of times wood on wood, you kind of lose that, but I've just brought in a bunch of hand-dyed wools. We have that wonderful strawberry sign up there, some baskets, and then this gorgeous piece I just picked up again today. I had to bring in some great pieces for you all after I had this area all sold on the first day. Look at that. It's got a large door. It is a beautiful blue-green color. I was told that this came out of New Hampshire. They purchased it from the Flying Pig many, many years ago. It has the boot jack legs on it. Just a fabulous piece. That color is amazing. I like that it's a single door. And it does have the nice shelves on the inside. Square nails, just really, really a stunning piece. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of the whole mall onto the end of this, just a few minutes of it. I have been running nonstop and I just have not had time yet to come and record the whole shop. I will get to it. Absolutely. It's just kind of one of those, it's sort of one of those weeks for me here. The flag banners, again, I can't be committed to be shipping anything until after our open house is over. But if you are in the area and you are shopping at the big shows, I highly, highly recommend that you come on over to Seville Antiques, whether that is on tomorrow, Friday, or you may be watching this now on Friday morning, or come on Saturday after you're done at the shows, or come on Sunday. If you are one of the vendors at the show, come on Sunday, because Seville Antiques will be open from 10 o'clock until 4 o'clock, or of course until that last shopper has left, because they have been wonderful that way. So I hope you enjoy this little tour. Again, I have more of Seville Antiques that's going to be added on to the end of this. I have one very special thing that I do want to give a shout out here. I'm looking at it here in this basket. These are hand loomed by one of our viewers, Linda Donahue. Hand loomed. The color is amazing. The pattern is an antique German bird's eye design. And I absolutely love these. They are all, again, done by hand on a loom. And then the stitching on the inside. They are beautifully finished. Linda told me that these are all 100% cotton, and they're wonderful dish towels. And the more you use them, the softer they get. So if you're coming to the shop, please make sure you take a look at those. I've got another one over there on the dry sink as well. So if you are seeing something here that you are interested in, again, I hope that you will come to the shop itself to buy. But in the meantime, come on over. And then after the show is over, I promise I will do a video. So for those of you that need to have shipping, I will make sure to be able to do that for you as well.